At All Security Equipment, we're constantly listening to the professionals who use our products every day. We understand installer, we understand job sites, and we know that when your installation process is simpler, you can move faster, take on more work, and keep your project running efficiently. That mindset is what led us to develop this. This is our new Pedestal Extension, and it is the most versatile pedestal extension on the market today, because flexibility isn't optional in real-world install. With this extension, you're not limited to one configuration. You can mount it on the left side, on the top. You can mount it on the right side, or even on the bottom. You can even install two extensions on the same pedestal when your application requires multiple additional devices. And it doesn't stop there. You can also control the depth, set it closer to the pedestal for a compact layout, or extend it outward for additional spacing and usability. You can even reverse the direction to create a dual-facing application when your layout calls for it. It's designed to give you options, not restriction. Here's how it works. First, you determine the exact position that fits your layout. Then, you adjust the depth to match your design. And then, once everything is in place, you can start drilling a hole the same size as this one, wherever you have it, to pass the wires. Then you pass the wires through the end of the extension, and then you can securely fasten the extension with 4 self-tapping screws. Our extension uses the same universal mounting plate, giving you broad compatibility across a wide range of devices. It's built from the same aircraft-rated aluminum as our pedestal and finished with our Blacksmith-style powder coating, delivering strength, durability, and a clean, professional appearance. And just like our pedestal, it is proudly made right here in the USA. This isn't about solving problems after the fact. It's about giving you the versatility to design smarter from the start. At All Security Equipment, our goal is simple: offer products that simplify your installs so you can focus on growing your business. More flexibility, more efficiency, more opportunities on every job. Visit our website to see full specs, and if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions that we should build next, leave them in the comments below or contact us at allsecurityequipment.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.